Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Margaret. We discuss all things fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Before we go any further, please click that subscribe button. Also connect with me, follow me on Instagram. I'll pop my details on the side. So yeah, now let's get into today's video. I am super excited guys about today's video. Today's video is an unboxing from the brand Bottega Veneta. I am so excited about this purchase. If you've been following me, you know that I've been wanting a pair of shoes from this brand for a very long time. Now, I finally took the plunge and got a pair of shoes. So if you've been following me, you would have seen that in my shopping video and on my wish list, I said that I wanted to get a pair of the Bottega Veneta padded mules in brown. That's not what I got. So my mind changed dramatically with this spring summer collection. I'm sure you've seen these shoes everywhere. They're the Bottega Veneta mesh wraparound sandals. So when I saw this, I was like, yeah, this is very spring, summer. This is very now. This is very on trend. So it comes in a variety of colors. You've got nude, you've got green, and you've got yellow and a red. Don't know if I already said that, but yeah, I was torn between the green and the nude. I kept going back and forth with myself. Then I was like, let's be realistic. What are you going to get more wear out of, and what are you going to be able to style more on a consistent basis? I love green. Green's my favorite color, but I just had to be very practical in this sense. I'm not buying two pairs, I'm only getting one. So I just thought, let me take the plunge and go with the nude. So let me quit talking and let me show you the shoe. So it came in this lovely green box. Green is actually my favorite color. I really love this box. Look how pretty it is. Like, this box is so pretty. I ordered this from Net-a-Porter and they currently have 15% off on shoes at the moment. So I got 15% off because one thing about me, baby, I'm not paying full price. Nope, never. I can't even remember the last time I've paid for something full price without getting a discount, because I will take any discount. Like, I just need to have a discount. Like, I just love getting money off. I mean, who doesn't enjoy getting money off? And it makes the purchase so much easier when you know you're getting a discount. It just makes everything feel better. Like, yeah, okay, I can spend more money because I got a discount. But anyways, yes, it comes in this lovely green box. It came super quick. I think they've got like free shipping or something on at the moment, but I've never had an issue when I've ordered from Net-a-Porter. Like, their stuff always comes super quick. I think it came literally the next day. So yeah, this is the lovely box. I'm definitely keeping this box. I'm not throwing away this box. And it came with this lovely bow. Inside the box, you've got the replaceable spare heels, which definitely are handy. You've got this little pouch here, and I'm guessing it's probably got like instructions in it. I'm not going to open that. And you've got two, honey, this dust bag, ooh, luxury. This is super thick. This is gonna protect your shoes very. I love this. This is, wow, this is good. This is super thick. This is quality. This is what I'm talking about when it comes to dust bags. I've got two. They're super thick. They're good quality. Love it. I love this. So let me give you the correct name. So these are the Bottega Stretch Sandal. Well, yeah, Bottega Stretch Sandal. Can you see the taking the shoe? No, taking the shoe. This is so spring summer. I love it. Before, I went to try on the other mesh mule shoe that they have, and I didn't like it on my foot, but I really love this. I won't be able to show it on my toes because I don't have my toes done still. we're still in lockdown, but April 1st, you're gonna see me outside the shop, outside the nail shop, getting my foot done. But yeah, look at this. This is so good. I feel like this is gonna have good grip when you're walking. So you've got the mesh here and mesh here. You've got this little protection. I'll take this off. So it just literally ties up the laces. And I think that's so cute. I mean, I'm probably not gonna remember to keep this on the shoe, but hey. So yeah, you've got the, I guess you could even take this out and wear it. Well, I don't know how strong it would be like without your foot slipping off, but I guess you could wear it kind of two ways. The heel height I think is 3.5, which is a great height for me, because ain't nobody trying to kill themselves in 6 inches, honey. No, 6 inches are played out now. We want comfortable shoes. We want to be able to walk all night. We want to be able to party all night and still look cute. So yeah, these are the shoes. I think they're so gorgeous. I really love the square toes that Bottega do. I really love Bottega shoes. I feel like for shoes, they're very on trend. Like all the spring summer collection is gorgeous. If I had the money, I would buy every single one, but sis ain't rich like that yet. Ain't rich like that yet. But yeah, so like I said, I got these from Net-a-Porter. I got 15% off because, like I said, baby, one thing about me, I'm gonna get a discount. I hopefully will be able to take some pictures. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll be able to see how I style them. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick video so I can finally tick these items off my wish list. I think these are a good beginner shoe for me because I think I'll get a lot of wear out of them this summer. Like I said, June 21st, we go into the streets. I'm going to the streets. TikTok, I'm obsessed with TikTok. But yeah, these are the gorgeous shoes. Sizing, I would say they fit true to size. Get your normal size, but as always, trying shoes, currently we're not able to try shoes on, so I think at the moment everything's going to be trial and error. But if you are able to go to the shops, go and try them on and get your right size. I always recommend getting your right size, because when it comes to designer shoes and you're spending your coins, you do not want to spend all that money on designer shoes and not get your right size, because you're going to be screwed. So don't do that. Go and try them on. If not, it does say in the description, fits true to size. I got my right size and they fit perfect, but I know some people might struggle because of the net feature in the front. So I would definitely recommend going to try these shoes on in store. Do I think these are worth every penny? Absolutely. Do I think you're going to get a lot of wear out of them? Absolutely. One thing I am worried about is the fabric material, is them getting dirty. So I'm going to be very cautious about the places I wear them to, because I won't want them to get dirty. That is my only concern about these shoes, is the fabric. I wasn't going to buy these full price without getting a discount, and I'm very happy that I got a discount on them. So yeah, love them, would recommend them, absolutely. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Like I said, I couldn't show you and style them for you, but hopefully in my next videos I'll be able to style them for you and show you some looks on how to wear them. Let me know what you like from the Bottega brand, and if you've got your eye on anything, comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.